Call me, beat me, if you wanna reach me, if you wanna page me, it's okay. Hey guys, Najee here, welcome back to my channel. Call me, beat me, if you wanna beat me. So today we have a quick little Kim Possible inspired Halloween tutorial. So this is look 2 of my spooky costume. This one's not spooky. I know this one's not spooky, but it was so easy that it was just kind of like, no, I'm a fool if I don't do what it do. So if you're interested in seeing how I accomplish this look, makeup, hair, outfit included too, then just scroll down, hit the subscribe button, join the Najee gang, and let's get into this video. Okay, it's about to be, hopefully, in my mind, easiest tutorial, easiest Halloween costume by far. I'm still gonna do voiceover work because that's just way easier. But let's get into Miss Kim P. Yeah. Like, why does that sound wrong? It's Kim Possible, y'all.
Okay, to start, I have to pin my braids back. So I had my hair braided recently, so I'm not going to take these out for today's look. I'm going to keep them, but kind of wrap them so that my head is all one shape, or as much one shape as I could possibly get it in the stocking cap. Miss Ginger! Yes, it's giving Ronald Weasley. Yes, it's giving no, Ron, you have to go. But today we'll be using the wig from my SZA video. I will link it down below as well as in this video in the top right hand corner just so you can access that on the coloring details and all that. And today we're just using the ORS grip gel to affix the wig to my head. I just needed something quick and easy. Like you guys saw, my hair was braided, so I need something that's water soluble so I can take it off as soon as I'm done with this look. So I just did it section by section, used a tail comb to lay it down, and then I got an elastic band and just secured it and straightened the wig. And once I was done that, I took the elastic band off, and it was really that simple. So brows were an interesting journey. I started with some edge control to keep them flat, and then went over it with the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk as a primer. And then I went over it with ginger eyeshadow, but I hated it. So after I blended out the base, I started using orange eyeshadow, and I was like, you know what? This is not even on brand for Kim. She has brown eyebrows. So what I ended up doing was going over it with my actual brow routine. I'll be sure to link my brow routine here as well as down below just so you have an idea of what steps I took. But it made no sense for me to show you all of this when I'm just basically doing it on top of the orange eyeshadow, which kind of gave me the perfect brow look eventually. But it's a combination of things, y'all. So for today, we're going to be using Fenty Snap Shadow number 3 and Huda Beauty's Naughty Nude palette. I started with a base shade from Fenty. Everything is listed down below though, so everything I'm doing right now, the shades, I can't remember them. I've already written them out and I'm not looking at them on the screen. I wrote them out down below, so if you have any questions about that, it's in the description box. Then I used the NYX Epic Liner. I'm not at home right now, so I don't know what color this is. I want to assume it's espresso, but it is a dark brown liner. I just did this because I feel like for Black Girl Kim, she has to have a little something. Then I went with my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, and really I could have left Kim here because she's someone who doesn't wear a lot of makeup on the day-to-day, but me, I'm gonna put on a lash. This is the Barbie lash from RD Beauty, and it's a natural-ish lash, and it just kind of complements the look. This makeup routine is going to be basic AF. We're starting with Milk Hydro Grip Primer, just because it's the best. I love it. And then we're going into the Fenty Powder Foundation. This is in the shade 430. And then we're going to, I think, highlight and contour. I'm using a very full coverage concealer, and I'm spreading it very far and wide because Kim does have a rounder face, so I kind of wanted to emulate that a little bit. Again, everything I'm using today is listed down below in the description box. We're about to highlight and contour both our Huda Beauty concealers, and I just felt like they would give me a nice even base. So I'm setting my face with the Sacha Buttercup powder. I got it recently from my best friend, obsessed with it. I think it does exactly what it needs to do and sets highlighter, concealer perfectly. And I'm also going to bronze with my Fenty bronzer in Mocha Mami. Kim is basic. I don't need to do anything too extreme, too jarring on the face. I'm going to take my eyeshadow to my lash line as well as do my waterline with this eyeliner from Makeup Forever and just the outer corner with a black liner as well. I'm just highlighting my inner corners, and then we're getting into freckles, which is actually really fun. I just took some liquid liner on my fingers and then dabbed it on my face and went over it with blush. This is the Pablo Cosmetics blush. Dusk is the perfect orange blush for dark skin women, I swear. So then I go on to highlight, and I'm using the Fenty Diamond Balm. There was a bit of highlighter from my previous look on there, so that's why it looks cooler than the Diamond Balm. Then I line my lips with MAC Chestnut and go into Lavishly's Brown Skin Girl, which I topped with Oma's Eartha just on the bottom lip.
Time to get dressed. Whenever you need me, baby, call me, big man, if you wanna reach me. Oh my gosh. Gotta wrap this up quick because my battery's about to die, but I literally just loosed those clips and this is the finished look. It was pretty simple, like I said, so let me know if you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns in the comments down below, and also give this video a big thumbs up if you did like it, and as always, subscribe to me. You pay my bills, right? Again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Call me, beat me. Bye!